What you're seeing is an Excel spreadsheet that was generated by entering your asset information into our estate planning questionnaire. Once you've entered the info, you can download an Excel spreadsheet, save it on your computer, and then you can use that Excel spreadsheet as you acquire and dispose of assets over time. One of the things you'll want to do is make sure you get all your assets transferred to the trust. Now, if you hire us to transfer your assets, then you have to fill out the asset list, and that's what we're going to use to determine what you own so we can transfer your assets into the trust. Now, this document's also very important because you want to give it to the person or people who you want to know what you own if you were to die. Because think of it this way, if you were to die and your heirs didn't know what you own and where to find it, then they wouldn't inherit your assets. So the Excel spreadsheet, very important part of your estate plan.